What's up, YouTube friends? Welcome to my channel. My name is Hofana Lebesi, also known as Tswanabi. So in my channel we'll be doing everything to do with do it yourself. If you're a fan of doing it yourself, you are at the right place at the right moment right now. So today we're going to be doing what? In this video specifically, we're going to be customizing my shoes. Only 2 shoes. So the other one I'll be hydro dipping, and the other one I'll be doing the galaxy thing with the spray paints. That's it. So I think we're just gonna get to it. These are the shoes that I'm going to be showing you how to do. This and this. This is the galaxy one, and this is the hydro dipped one. Thank you. Okay. Hi people. So we're gonna be customizing my shoes. These 2. The first one, this pair, I'm gonna be hydro dipping it. And then this one, I wanna do the galaxy thing with them spray paints. So we're going to be using these colors. I haven't picked which one I'm gonna be using, but we're gonna be using this spray here. I forgot to buy gloves, so we're gonna be using plastic as gloves because I'm black. So what we need is we also need tape to cover the surfaces that we don't want to be affected by the paint whatsoever. So that is what we use the tape for. We need a mask to protect yourself from the strong smell of this paint. So I'm gonna be looking like a chicken. Don't mind me. So I'm putting it on now. Like a chicken. How do you even do this? So fucking difficult. I thought it's easy. Do I look okay? I doubt. But this is what we're doing. This is what we are doing. I haven't chosen colors now. I have to. So I think I'll be using yellow because I love yellow. And I think I'll be using yellow, green, and white. So before I do all that, let me cover the thing, the sole of the shoe. We also need acetone, and the acetone thing is for removing the finish from the shoe. So I'll be just adding acetone, brushing it off, whatever. Just removing the top coat of the shoe. Done with this shoe. We are done, and I think the fun part begins. where we do what? Spray the paint on top of the water. We're just going to use black and yellow. We shake well, and then we're still gonna. Wow, Posang.
Proceed.
We're still gonna record from there when I'm spraying the thing.
Yeah, don't worry.
Huh?
Don't worry about the recording. You do your job.
I'm asking.
I got you.
So this is what we're gonna do. Take the black spray. We're doing it right. I think so. It's my favorite part, by the way. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, they're just a cake.
They're beautiful.
Ta-da. Ta-ta. I think these babies are also done.
Hmm?
How many hands do you see? I think I can be at 2 times as big ones. I'm too tired on my lips.